My name is Pamela Rose, and today we're going to talk about irregular time divisions. The most common irregular time divisions are triplets and duplets, and you may well have come across those before now in your playing, but we're going to talk about them and make them very clear for you. Simply put, a triplet asks you to play 3 equal notes, or the equivalent of 3 equal notes, in the time of 2. So let's have a look at an example of some triplets. In a time signature of 2/4, I'm going to play 4 equal quavers, and then I'm going to put in a triplet of 3 quavers, followed by a triplet of a quaver and a quaver rest, and a quaver, and then in the next bar I'm just going to have 2 regular crotchets. A triplet is indicated by the number 3, either over or below 3 notes. That number 3 can be on its own, it can be in a bracket, or it can be in a curve. Let's look at this example of triplets in a time signature of 2 crochet beats in a bar. 1, 2. Let's have a look now at duplets. Duplets are pretty much the opposite to triplets. Similarly to triplets, the duplet is signified by a number 2, either under or over the 2 notes. And that number 2 can be on its own, or it can be in a bracket or in a curve. Let's look at some duplets played in a 6/8 rhythm. 1, 2. We do sometimes come across situations where notes which are normally divided into 2 are instead divided into greater numbers. Greater numbers like 5, 6, 7 and 9. Divisions into 5 are called quintuplets, and they are indicated by a 5 either above or below 5 equal notes. This simply means that those 5 notes are played in the time of 4 notes. So if you have 5 quintupleted quavers, they are played in the time of 4 quavers. Similarly, divisions into 6 equal notes are called sextuplets and are indicated by a 6 either above or below 6 even notes. And those 6 notes are played in the time of 4. A septuplet is 7 equal notes with the 7 either below or above, and those 7 notes are played in the time of 4. So with quintuplets, sextuplets and septuplets, they are all played in the time of 4. That is 4 of the same note value. So 7 quavers in a septuplet are played in the time of 4 quavers. The last time division we're going to come across is when 9 equal notes are played in the time of 8. When we see this, there is no real given name for it, but when we see this, we have a 9 underneath 9 equal notes or above 9 equal notes, and they are played in the time of 8. As you're reading, listening and playing music, make sure you're very familiar with all the note values. So the semi-breve, the minim, the crotchet, the quaver, the semi-quaver, the demi-semi-quaver, and even the hemi-demi-semi-quaver. One note value you may not have come across, but is very often used in grade 5 theory, is the breve. The breve is a very long note which is not often used nowadays. It's equal to 2 semibreves. The breve looks like this, and the breve rest looks like this. My next session is going to look at transferring compound time signatures to simple time signatures and vice versa. I look forward to seeing you there.